Looking for a keyboard that not only performs flawlessly but also lets you express your unique style? The ROG mechanical keyboard with AniMe Matrix LED display offers exactly that. With customizable images and animations, it's more than just a tool, it's a statement on your desk. What sets this keyboard apart is its lightning-fast 8000 Hz polling rate, delivering a response time of just 0.125 milliseconds. That's up to 8 times faster than most gaming keyboards out there, giving you the edge you need in every game. Speed and precision come together seamlessly here. The heart of the experience lies in the ROG NX mechanical switches. These switches provide a satisfying keystroke feel with fast actuation and specially tuned force curves, making every press feel just right. Plus, if you prefer a different typing experience, the swappable switches let you customize the keyboard's feel to match your style. Longer keys stay rock solid thanks to the ROG Switch Stabilizer, designed to ensure smooth, stable keystrokes without any wobble. This means your gameplay and typing stay consistent, no matter how intense the session gets. Sound matters too. Built-in sound dampening foam reduces annoying pinging noises and echoes inside the keyboard, creating a quieter, more focused environment. Whether you're gaming late at night or working in a shared space, this feature helps keep distractions down. Comfort isn't overlooked either. The detachable wrist rest includes a light diffuser, combining ergonomic support with stylish design. It's easy on your wrists during long sessions, though some users mention the wrist rest might feel a bit soft over time, especially if you tend to press hard. Users from the US have praised this keyboard for its solid build and intuitive Armoury Crate software, which makes managing lighting and settings straightforward. Many find it a better experience compared to other brands' software, and the ability to swap key switches adds a level of customization that gamers appreciate. If you want a keyboard that combines high-speed performance, customizable lighting, and a tailored typing experience, this ROG mechanical keyboard is worth a look. It's a bit of an investment, but for what you get, precision, personalization, and comfort, it pays off. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup.